Okay, so it's a bike check. We got the Brandon Beacons Heaven's Gate bars. Pretty sure they're 10 inches tall, 30 inches wide. We got a Sabrosa, I think, Hong frame. It's 21 inch. Got an Eastern cassette 9-tooth back rim, a Colt front rim. I don't know what these cranks are, but we got GT pedals, the plastic. Got a Colt pivotal seat, some Sabrosa grips, an Assault stem, ramp forks, just I think standard sealed bearings, and we got some Ranch Squad tires. Yeah. So this is my bike check. It's not too much to it. It's just brakeless. It's a nice bike.